Hi guys, and welcome to Learn with Nia. In today's video we're going to look at 5 reasons why now is the time to start a brand new YouTube channel if you're over 40. So reason number 1, valuable life experience. You have many years of experience in whatever you're into, whether it's woodworking, sewing, finance, social media, cooking, parenting, whatever it is, you have more or less a lifetime of experience. So your wealth of life experiences and insights means you could make relatable and meaningful content. Now, viewers are looking for authenticity. They want to know that they're learning from someone or being entertained by someone who knows what they're talking about. So content made by the over 40s can resonate with viewers. Also, there's a massive market for YouTube content made by over 40s, over 50s, over 60s, over 70s even. So now is a good time to share your knowledge with the rest of the world. Reason number 2, niche opportunities. Niche, say it however you want. There's a growing audience for content tailored to older adults. So this would allow you to carve out a unique space on the platform. Those of us who are over 40 on YouTube are filling a gap. People want to see us. People want to hear what we've got to say. So if you're good at woodworking, if you're good at cooking, if you're good at parenting, whatever it is that you're good at, writing music, playing guitar, you can make a YouTube channel and you will have people interested. Lots of people over 40, 50, 60, 70 don't want to learn from a 20-year-old. They'd prefer to learn from people in their age range. So this is where you could take advantage and fill a gap in the niche. Now, if you want help in choosing a niche, I've got a form below that you can download completely free. It's a PDF that you can print out and fill in to help you choose your niche. Now, if like me, you've got a few ideas of what to do for a YouTube channel, I considered a few things. I considered teaching music. I considered a channel on design. There were a few things that I wasn't sure what to do. And I used the exact form that you can download below to find out what would be most suitable for me. So please, if you're in my situation where you're not sure quite which road to go down, then download the form, print it out, take a few moments, fill it in, and by the end, you'll be able to see exactly which channel will suit you the best and what you will enjoy doing the most, because enjoyment is so important when it comes to making YouTube videos. If you don't enjoy it, then you won't continue with it and your channel will come to nothing. But if you enjoy what you're doing, then it will grow and you will develop and it will be lovely. Point number 3, learning, growth and mental health. Starting a channel will encourage you to learn new skills. Things like video editing, things like designing a logo, things like marketing. Lots of different skills, okay, that you might not have before. So it encourages you to use your brain to learn new skills. Creating a YouTube channel is also an amazing creative outlet because hopefully you're doing something you love, enjoy, and get satisfaction out of. It can also give you a sense of purpose. You might have children who've flown the nest. You might be a single person. You might just be looking for a hobby to fill some time. And YouTube is a great option for this. You can keep your mind active and help your mental health. It gives you a purpose and it gives you something that you can be satisfied with in your life. Reason number 4, community building. Now, once you set up your YouTube channel, you will have comments from people from all over the world who will want to chat with you, maybe want some advice from you. You can create an amazing community on YouTube. People will get to know you through your videos. They'll want to chat with you. And if you show them support, they will show you support back. And building a positive community can be great for all of us. These people will value your comments, skills, perspectives on things. And you may make new friends. Last but not least, point number 5, monetization potential. Now, I couldn't do a video on this without mentioning monetization potential. Okay, so for me, people ask me, Nia, why are you doing a YouTube channel? For all those 4 reasons that came before, and possibly number 5. Okay, now a YouTube channel, if successful, can potentially create an income stream for you. Okay, via monetization. Now you can make money via Google AdSense, which is the advert you see on YouTube. You can also make money through consulting and through selling digital products or the products that you actually are making if you're a woodworker or a jewellery maker. So if your channel is successful, you can make an income from it. My hope is to make some extra income for my family, just to help with days out, holidays, all those extra things that aren't covered by your monthly wage. Other people start YouTube solely to create a full-time income from it. And if that's what you want to do, then I can tell you that is possible. So there are the 5 reasons why you should start a YouTube channel if you're over 40 today. If you're over 40, over 50, over 60, over 70, it really doesn't matter. There are people out there who would value your skills and experience and would be so happy to learn from you. So if you have something to teach, then please think about starting a YouTube channel, because now is the time. There's a gap there. The audience is there just waiting for you. So bite the bullet and take a chance, because if you don't try, you don't know. And you never know, you might be a huge success. So if you like this video or want to learn more about setting up a YouTube channel, then please subscribe, hit that like button and hit the bell for notifications. See you in the next one.